In the last video, I explained the real number and Euclid lemma. Now, sums based on Euclid lemma. Okay. So use Euclid division algorithm to find SCF and express as linear combination of these two numbers. Means first we have to find out SCF, then algorithm, and then linear combination. Okay. So we will find SCF. Thus we got SCF 4. Now I will make division algorithm. That is 592 equals to 252 into 2 plus 88. 252 equals to 88 into 2 plus 76. 88 equals to 76 into 1 plus 12. 76 equals to 12 into 6 plus 4. Okay. Here we got remainder 0. So 4 is our SCF. Okay. Now we have to make linear combination. So linear combination. So SCF is 4. So 4 equals to 76 minus 12 into 6. I am transposing this number. Okay. Now in this equation we will put value of 12 from here. So it will become 76 minus, I am putting value of 12. That is 88. 88 minus 76 into 1 and into 6. So 76 minus 88 into 6 plus 76 into 6. Now I will take common of 76. So next step will be 76 1 plus 6. 1 plus 6 minus 88 into 6. It will become 76 into 7 minus 88 into 6. Now in this equation I will put value of 88 from 76. I am writing next step. 76 into 7 minus 88 into 6. Now value of 76 from this equation. Okay. It will be 252. 252 minus 88 into 2. 88 into 2 into 7. 7 is here. Minus 88 into 6. So it will be 252 into 7 minus 88 into 14 minus 88 into 6. So 252 into 7 minus 88 is common. So 14 plus 6. Okay. So it will become 252 into 7 minus 88 into 20. Okay. Now I will put value of 88 in this equation from here. So it will be 252 into 7 minus 592 minus 592 minus 252 into 2 multiplied by 20. So 252 into 7 minus 592 into 20 plus 252 into 40. Now we will take common 252. So 252 7 plus 40 minus 592 into 20. So 252 into 47 plus 592 into minus 20. So it is a linear combination of these two numbers equals to 4. So this is our first answer. First answer is 4, that is SCF. I am writing here. Answer SCF is 4. Okay. And linear combination is this. 4 equals to 252 into 47 plus 592 into minus 20.